Hi everyone, so I've been getting some questions about quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So I have created a problem here and realizing and showing that we're using the same form of that and knowing the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of 4ac all over 2a. This is something that we had to memorize in school. I'm not so sure if that's what it is today. Maybe you get a nice little card. I'm not sure, but we had to have it memorized. So now we're going to use that and we're going to plug it into what we have here. So we know that this is going to be our A, our B, and our C. We're going to plug it into this. So we have x equals negative b, so negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b, so 2 square minus 4 times a, which is our negative 3, times c, which is our 2, all over 2 times a, which is our negative 3. And now that we have everything plugged in, we will go ahead and solve for x. So we have x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 to the square root of 2, so 2 times 2, which is 4, minus, so we can do it, whoa, we can do it more mental math, but we know that 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, but this 4 times 3 is going to give us a positive, and then plus a positive, so our negatives cancel out. So now 4 times 3 times 2 is giving us positive 24. So 4 plus 24 all over 2 times negative 3, which gives us negative 6. Lost my marker. Going on from there, we have, keep solving, x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root. 4 plus 24 gives us 28 all over negative 6. So some teachers will allow you to leave it as is, and that can be your answer right here. Some other teachers will like you to split up the plus and the positive and the negative. So we'll actually just split this problem out into x equals negative 2 plus the square root of 28 all over negative 6, and x equals negative 2 minus the square root of 28 all over 6, negative 6, which in this case, the negatives cancel each other out. So our actual full answer could be and will be x equals negative 2 plus the square root of 28 all over positive 6. So depending on your teacher and how far, that would be your full final answer using the quadratic formula. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to put them down below in the comments. Always enjoy the positive feedback. Always enjoy the thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It definitely helps with the channel. And of course, as always, have a great day.